I had a fun day at the park. I had a big sandwich for lunch. I had a red balloon yesterday. I had a pet fish when I was little. I had ice cream after dinner. I had a book about animals. I had a dream about flying. I had a new pair of shoes last week. I had a cold last winter. I had pancakes for breakfast. I had a blue sweater last year. I had an apple and sandwich for a snack. I had a great time with my friends. I had a puzzle to solve. I had a picnic in the garden. I had a nice chat with my teacher. I had a toy car that was very fast. I had a collection of pretty shells. I had a colorful kite to fly. I had a bag of candy from the store. I had a good idea for a drawing. I had a soft teddy bear. I had a birthday party last month. I had a story to tell my sister. I had a box of crayons. I had a math test at school. I had a sweet mango yesterday. I had a picture of a rainbow. I had a bottle of water in my bag. I had a snowman in my yard. I had a cycle ride with my dad. I had a yummy slice of pizza. I had a big laugh with my cousin. I had a flower to give my mom. I had a frog in a small pond. I had a visit from my grandparents. I had a kitten that purred softly. I had some juice. I had a warm blanket on my bed. I had a small boat at the lake. I had a cool pair of sunglasses. I had fruits in my lunchbox. I had a shiny coin in my purse. I had a picture of a butterfly. I had a watermelon on a hot day. I had a popcorn bucket at the movies. I had a colorful pencil case. I had a quick nap after school. I had a frog hop past me. I had a visit to the zoo last weekend. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.